What does it take to build a window in 2022? A lot of parts and hundreds of great people. Renewal by Andersen is building more windows every day and delighting more homeowners. Come on, let's see how it's done.
People look out for one another and they take a lot of pride in their work here, and that's something that I'm very proud of to be a part of.
People don't necessarily think of windows as complex or think of that process as complex until you go out on the manufacturing floor and you see what it takes to make that unit.
There could be easily over 100 pieces that would go into a window.
Since everything we have is custom, everything comes in unique and is made to order, and so it's just kind of managing those relationships and ensuring that we have material coming in a timely fashion. I think we've just developed some really solid, great relationships with those suppliers.
We have a lot of testing that we do here that starts off with what we would normally do for certification, but it goes above and beyond that. We do a lot of things here for testing for life cycle and testing for long-term performance and testing for like hot and cold weather that you wouldn't normally have to do for certification purposes.
This great team, their hard work, their innovative ideas, and all of the pieces coming together. That's what makes Renewal by Andersen's products exclusive. It's a better way to a better window.